Hey everyone, welcome back to Leaders Road. My name is Will. Today I have a very important video for those that are using or are planning to start to use TagMarke. Last night I went to the Zoom call. They gave us a lot of information about the new plans, and today I'm going to explain how all of those plans are going to work. Those are major updates, super positive updates that could change completely how you see passive income and trading. If you haven't heard about this option, well, this is a broker called TagMarke. It's regulated, but they are offering something that is super special and different from other brokers, the 12x Amplify account. And this is wild because if you deposit, let's say $1,000, instantly you will get 12,000 in trading power, and that can really start to generate substantial returns for all of us. And if you're a trader, you're gonna love this feature because it's like having a founded account, but you don't have to pass any challenges, all right? But what really makes this opportunity different is that you don't need to be a trader. Inside the TagMarke broker, they have a copy trading system called Index. Index is a community with AI automation, with real traders. Those traders are monitoring the system 24/7. They are having fantastic results, and we can just copy all that they are doing, completely hands-free. We simply set it up and let it run. I already done a full breakdown where we talk about the broker, the Amplify account, the copy trading. I also have the step-by-step guide on how to get started. If you are totally new here, well, I will leave those tutorials and reviews down below in the description of this video. But today is all about the new accounts, the new strategies. The Index copy trading system just dropped 8 new strategies. They officially introduced it yesterday in the Zoom call. I'm going to show you exactly what's been updated, which plans now include the 12x amplifier, how to choose the best copy trading option based on your capital and your risk level. And I'm also going to show you how to switch from your current plan to the new one step by step, because I have a lot of questions about this. And don't worry, it's super simple. But before we dive in, make sure you subscribe to this channel, click the bell to get notifications. If you want to stay ahead of the game, come and join my Telegram group. I will give you the live updates, and there I will share the links to the Zoom sessions with the people behind this project. And if you have any questions for me, you can find me on Telegram. Remember, I never send messages to anybody, but you can always DM me first using the official link that I have in the description of my videos, all right? And as always, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy sharing his journey, his wins, his losses, the tools and the platforms that I'm personally using. I'm always excited to share with you all that I'm doing in this space, but I also want to invite you to do your own due diligence, your own research. Trading is risky, and any opportunity in the crypto space has a risk, so make sure you invest what you can afford to lose, all right? So let's talk about the new accounts. All right, the first plan is the IX 202, minimum deposit 200, and thanks to the 12x leverage, your 200 deposit is going to turn into 2,400. That's the benefit we have from TagMarke, and our returns are going to be based in this new balance. This is the perfect account for beginners or for those who wants to see how the system works before you compromise with more capital. Now, if you have a little bit more capital, you can go to the IX 502. Minimum deposit here is 500, which is going to turn into $6,000 inside the platform thanks to the 12x leverage. Or they also have the IX 1002, minimum deposit 1,000, and that 1,000 is going to turn into 12,000 thanks to the 12x. In all of them, the average goes from 5% to 15%. It could be more, because all depends on the market. But what is the difference between these accounts? The difference is the settings, the lot size. According to the people behind all of this is the most balanced accounts, and they have a trader, a real trader behind these 3 accounts. All right. Now they have the cent accounts. If you ever heard of cent accounts, they are just like regular trading accounts, but instead of showing dollars, they show cents. So if you deposit, let's say $10, your balance will show 1,000 cents, but it's still $10 just in cents. And why we use these accounts? The reason why is because we can trade with a smaller lot size. With this type of accounts, usually you are doing trading in high volume. And that's exactly what these accounts are going to do. They are opening multiple trades during the day, usually one after another. The minimum deposit in this account is 1,000. Once you subscribe to this account, that 1,000 is going to turn into 100,000, but 100,000 cent. And with this account, we have no 12x leverage, no amplify account. Now, one of the rules inside TagMarkets in order to give you access to the 12x leverage is that once you deposit, your capital is going to be locked for 30 days. After the 30 days, you can withdraw your capital if you want, but you can perform withdrawals, the withdrawals of your profits every day. But with the Cent account, you don't have that rule because we are not using the 12x leverage. So if you are depositing today 1,000 and today you make a profit of $10, tomorrow you can withdraw your capital plus your profits. They are not locking your funds inside these accounts, okay? And they also have the IX Cent 200, same rules, but for smaller deposits. You can start with the minimum recommended amount, which is 200. And because here they don't have the rule of 10% drawdown, the drawdown here can be also lower compared to the other accounts. So yeah, it all depends on you, how you want to see it. You want an account in cents or an account in dollars. And now the last two, we have the IX Gold and IX Gold High Risk. These two strategies are more aggressive. Minimum deposit 1,000. We have access to the 12x leverage. With these two, they are delivering an average of 20% per month or higher. The difference between these two is the lot size. This one, of course, is high risk, so they are going to be more aggressive with this account. And they say you might experience some losses. Probably they're gonna hit the stop loss a couple of times, but because it's an aggressive approach, they are looking to recover always with the next position. So to recap, with the first three accounts, average from 5% to 15%. We have access to the 12x leverage, capital lock for 30 days. We can withdraw profits at any time. With the Cent account, average of 10% monthly, high volume trading, compounding, multiple trades per day, no access to the 12x leverage. You can withdraw your capital and profits at any time. And the last two, the Gold accounts, fewer trades but more explosive returns. The average return is sitting in over 20% per month. It all depends of your deposit. It all depends how you want to play this. I took this account, the IX Gold. Yesterday was my first day. I have one lost and we recovered from that one and we closed in the day in profit. And you know what? I'm going to put, I don't want to make this video too long, but I'm going to put part of the Zoom call from yesterday where one of the representatives is showing the results of the Cent account. Everybody's feeling super excited about these accounts and looks like it's going to be the most popular. Again, it all depends of how you want to approach this system. But before we go there, let me show you how you can switch from your old account to the new account. Well, if you're subscribed already and if you come to social trading and click in social trading area, it will show your current account if you're already logged in. What you need to do is click right here and it's going to open this panel. We're going to click in this button and we click in I'm subscribed. Once you do that, this is going to pop up. Just confirm by clicking in this button and that's all you need to do. Now to subscribe to the new account, any of those that I already explained, well, we're going to come back right here to social trading, then we click in provider ratings, IX, and you will find all the accounts there. There is the IX Cent, if that's the one you want, or the IX Gold. Click in the one that you prefer. Then when you are in this new page, click where it says invest, and there you click again in this button, actions, and click in activate. And now what you need to do is just follow the steps, just like I show you in my full guide, the tutorial on how to get started. You need the number of your account and the master password. And if for some reason this is too much for you, or you have a problem with the system, right here in the bottom, you will find the link to WhatsApp. So you can ask the support to help you with this. They will do all of that for you, no problem. You just need to provide the information of your account and that's it. Well guys, this is all that I want to show you today. Oh, I'm going to play the video so you can see how the Cent account is performing.
What I want to show you now, ladies and gentlemen, is another strategy what we have running. It's called the IX Cent. I think you heard about it, and I will show you also live how it works, because this is for another type of strategy. This is also starting of $1,000. Okay, we are actually today implementing 2 new strategies, and the strategy is called IX202, as you can see. And we will implement the IX cent. Let me write it and let's check if it's already in. Yes, you can see IX cent 200, and we have our IX 202. This is for everybody with lower deposits. People with $200 deposits, $300 deposit, $400 deposit. They can, starting from, we hope today, latest tomorrow, okay, they can connect, because the IX200, it's actually not doing what they should do. So we started, of course, the last 10 days looking for new strategies who gives real results, fast results, but profitable. It doesn't matter if it's 3% a month, 8%, 15, whatever. You know, all what is profit is always welcome, because on the end we are making money out of our personal operation, but also we can make additional income sending our referral link to others and having commissions on the profit of our referral system. So never forget this. And I want to show you now the IX cent, how this strategy is working, okay? IX cent, remember, $1,000 minimum. The IX gold from Aaron, $1,000 deposit minimum. And the IX202 and the IX, what you can see here, and the IX cent 200, IX, one second, the IX cent 200, it's starting also from $200. But now let me show you the IX. One second, I turn off this and I enter with my phone. I go in my MetaTrader 5, and here you can see the IX cent. It started with $1,000. Why it says $100,000 there? Because it's a cent account. So $1,000 are 100,000 cents, right? So this is all based on cents. And the IX cent account is not an amplified account. It's not applied the 12x. What is the difference? The difference of the amplified, you receive from the broker at 12x. You have 30 days locked the capital. Everybody knows, right? 30 days. After 31 days, you can withdraw also your capital. The profits you can always withdraw every day if you want, every hour if you want, okay? Whenever you have profits. Only the capital and the amplified after 30 days. Now, the IX cent, no. You can put in 1,000, you make today $3 profit. Tomorrow you can take out $1,003. So the capital is never blocked. But look, from the 2nd of July, today is the 7th of July, look all the trades, what this strategy is doing. And look all winning, and look the losing, it's only 0.57. So this making a lot of trades, between 30 to 50 trades every single day. And I show you now the live trades, because there are trades always open. So they are not closing the trades. Example, Friday, when the market is closing, you will see the trades still open. So you see all winning, winning, winning. The losing are always very small, because they have a strategy. The trader of this bot has a strategy. What is amazing? Look, from 2nd of July until today, it's actually now the 2nd, the 3rd. You know, the 4, 5, and 6 doesn't. There was no trades for the Independence Day, United States, and weekend. So there was 3 days trading, and it is a profit of 563 cents. What are $5? So that means the strategy did 0.5% in 3 days. Of course, it's not so aggressive as the IX Gold, definitely. It's more conservative. It gives around 10% average a month, but stable. And if I go now to trades, here you can see this is live. You can see the numbers going up and down. This is live now. Okay? It's doing all the time live trades in this moment. And if you go to the chart, well, now I cannot see it, but it's in the total real time. You see many are a little bit negative, no problem. This is always happening because the strategy knows sooner or later the gold price, it's always gold dollar, will go again up or again down. It's opening positions in buying and in selling, always, all the time, all real time. Once it's in positive, you see there is one in positive. Once the bot detect, okay, it's good to close, he close it down and he open a new one. All the time, so you have all the day, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 trades every day running. So this is what people love to see, right? All the time, trades, all the time, lots. But look the historial. From the 2nd of July until 7th of July, look, there are almost 80 to 90% of all the trades are winning. So this is the IXN. There's screen sharing, and I go back to here. So what I want to say with this, we have now, I make a resume of all that what we've spoken today. Two very nice, aggressive strategies running. IX Gold, minimum 1,000, and IX Gold, high risk, also minimum 1,000, operated from Aaron, right? The trader, what you could see right now. Then we have two strategies without 12x amplified, normal pro accounts, what everybody normally has in their brokers, where you put in 1,000, 2,000, $200, whatever, no amplified, no 12x, but a lot of trades every day, giving around an average of the past of 10% a month. The IX Gold, as you could see, gives a little bit more in average. It's minimum amplified also. IXN, we have starting today two strategies. IXN 200, minimum deposit 200, and IXN minimum deposit 1,000. It doesn't work with 5,000. It must be 1,000 exactly. If we have more and more people to want to have a bigger amount in the IXN, then you need to let us know, and they can adjust a new one, IXN 5,000 example, for minimum 5,000, okay? So we have three other strategies starting today. It's called the IX202, IX502, and IX1002. They are operated also from a real trader. We saw the track record, very, very good and interesting. We will send it out. We make today a list of all the operations, what we have now, with the specific details, with the average in the last, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months, whatever, how long they are running. What is the minimum deposit, how it works. We make today a list that everybody can see now. Our 8 strategies, what we will have starting today in the menu of index. So you can choose. You want a conservative, average 10%, no amplified account with a lot of trades every day, IXN 200. Perfect. You see all the time trades. You want the aggressive one with amazing results from our trader Aaron, minimum deposit 1,000 IX Gold. We will send all this out, okay? That you have a total list, an overview. But the most important point is that we think that we found now the right strategies, not only one or two. We have different strategies now, and people can choose from a low entry, let's say no risk, because the IXN, they have no amplify, they have no capital lock, okay? So we have different strategies now, what people can choose whatever they want, they can choose and they can put in the amount of money what they want. We will send it out today. So I would say thanks to everybody. We will open now the section for question and answer. Maybe Aaron, if you can stay some more minutes, if there are strategical questions about the IX gold, what I'm sure people has, and because I'm not a trader, so I cannot give the right answer to the questions, okay? So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. We go now to questions and answers.